Welcome to the video. Today I have this Dell S271HS $10. This is a gift from my dad. This is the video yesterday, and I'm doing today setting up stuff I got. So I got stuff I want to do today and set stuff up and you can hope about it. The better because I got not how I would open. Oh, fuck you. Damn it. Well, block that out now. Block the others out. Dumb to do. I hate blocking shit. No. There, now it's. What do we got in here? The stand. We're not gonna need it. These are mountain stands and stuff. This one, the manuals, power cord. That's what I'll use. Thank you for that. We have oh here. More of the stand I'm not gonna use. And the actual monitor itself. So what's the address and editing for you? I remember the address, so I gotta make sure I remember though. So watch the address. Take the address right here. Your schema board and power. And there's a recent right there. Shit. Alright. So there's the monitor unboxed. I'm gonna work on it and show you the finished product. How it looks. All done later on. I'm gonna go live with it combined right now, so I'll go to the end of the video. So I'll show you how the monitor looks right now. It's on using notes. I'll include later on where I'm gonna flip it to be my main monitor. My main monitor, I think there's a split input if you're going bad on it. I have a problem with it. I'll try to like cable. I'll probably kill it with the other monitor I have, and it works just fine there. So I think like my main monitor, as I'm right now, I'm gonna change it later today actually. I think this split input is going bad. I'll put this monitor in its place and put my old main monitor on the reason mount and use it there. Inside the best monitor in the world, so that'll work better I think over there. And then it's not that monitor I have my VGA port on, but this one doesn't have a VGA port. The new one doesn't, but oh well, I'll do about it. I don't really use it in an old computer anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. I can use an adapter if I need to. I'll get it. So, yeah, that would be that, I suppose. But yeah, the monitor works just fine. I'm going to put it on a stand though, and put it on my main monitor I currently use. Put that monitor in its place on the ViewSonic mat right now. You guys can see that's what I'm going to do. I'll show that when I get it done. And yeah, that's all I enjoyed. I set it one with my network. I have a video where I just like set it up in. It's something along the lines of the 2022 network overview part 2. Not part 1, part 2, about shorter, part 1. And yeah, if you want to see the monitor, get mounted on the ViewSonic, you can watch that. Otherwise, yeah, that's that. Hope you all enjoyed. That's it, you guys. Take it easy.